Welcome to the session on what is an Arduino. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source microcontroller based development board that's become incredibly popular for building all sorts of projects. Maybe very simple blinking LED to very complex robots. It's a fantastic way to bring your ideas to life. This right here is an Arduino board. It's brain of your project, capable of interacting with world around you through sensors and then do some work through actuators and many more. The Arduino is very inexpensive development board. Arduino connects to a computer using a simple standard USB cable, which provides both a serial connection and 5-volt power supply needed to operate Arduino. So no battery is required when we are connecting our Arduino to computer through USB cable. The Arduino board has a USB adapter chip that enables a computer to recognize that it is a serial device. A program is also developed to compile and upload the code and is referred to as an integrated development environment, IDE. The IDE contains a text editor and compiler that translate the simplified Arduino programming language into more complicated binary X file that can be uploaded directly to the microcontroller. The Arduino language is a variant of C++ programming language, but in a very simplified way. It uses built-in libraries to simplify complicated coding tasks to make it easier for beginner to pick up the robotic and other embedded system projects. The most current drivers and software needed for this programming can be downloaded from www.arduino.cc, that is also free of charge. Go to Arduino homepage to see step-by-step instructions for installing the Arduino software to your specific operating system. In case you do not have any prior programming experience, you can visit the website for Arduino command or use the Arduino ID help. It's very simple and there are many help with example coding are also given. Arduino is an open source project. It is constantly being improved and updated. So it is suggested to have a look on the website for the latest version of Arduino IDE. Arduino comes in many different shapes and sizes, but Arduino Nano, Uno, and Mega are extensively used. The Arduino Nano uses Atmega 328P microcontroller. It is a 8-bit AVR microcontroller and also used in Arduino Uno. Key specification of Atmega 328P includes it is having flash memory of 32 KB, EEPROM 1 KB, SRAM 2 KB. The standard Arduino runs at 16 MHz clock speed and has 3 adjustable timers to allow for changing the PWM frequency, that is the pulse width modulation. That also we will be discussing these in detail when we will be discussing controlling the speed of motor in the robotic projects. There are 22 I/O pins, 6 of them are PWM. Analog pins are 8. There are 2 interrupt pins. We use these interrupt pins later when we introduce encoders for measuring motor speed in mobile robot applications. It also has UART, SPI, and I2C communication support. We'll discuss these communication support when we'll discuss sensor interfacing through Arduino. The Arduino Nano is a compact and versatile board that is commonly used in projects where space is a consideration, else we use Nano. For more IOs, we use Mega. Because the Arduino design is an open source, anyone can design its own version of the Arduino board. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions or specific topic that would like me to cover, drop them in the comment below. You can also connect to me through my email ID. Thank you.